Hi everyone, this is Raghu from TutorialDrive.com and welcome to PHP video series. So in this lecture we will see an example of or examples of logical operators. So let's open my Sublime text or any text editor. So here let's create a new file inside the operators. So this is the empty file and you can copy the contents of the arithmetic.php or maybe you can write from scratch. So just open the PHP tag and then as I mentioned earlier, so the logical operators are nothing but ampersand ampersand and symbol or and text or and the text or and the last one is not symbol. So these are the logical operators. So let me comment this so that it won't affect my output. So let's take two variables $t and $f. So I'm using t and f just to give an idea that t is nothing but true and f is false. F equals false. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll have a if else loop, but before writing if else loop we haven't see how the if else loop work in PHP. So the basic if else syntax is if followed by a condition and then followed by a block. If this condition is true, then this block will be executed. If it is false, it will just go out of the if condition. We can also include else condition and this else will be executed if the condition is false. So for condition true, this is for condition false. So this is a simple if else loop syntax. So let's start coding. So if $t, that is my variable, and or let's use and $f, if this condition is true, then echo t ampersand ampersand f is true, because this condition is successful, that's why it went inside this loop. And also we will echo a new line, that is break okay, let me go out of the if condition, and else means if the condition is false, then we can write t and f is false. So this is very simple. So this block will be executed only if the condition is true. This block will be executed only if the condition is false. So let me copy this and paste it several times. So we need another 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'll just change few things. So this one, keep it as it is. And the next one is, instead of and we will use a text and t and f is true, else t and f is false. And now let me use two pipes, that is nothing but or. So it is pretty straightforward. And then this is the text r and here also r is false, and the last one is not. So I'll use not in front of anything, or I'll just let's use it not of. Okay, let's use $t Just to avoid confusion, let's have another parenthesis. So echo not of t is true and the next one is false. So I know this is kind of confusing, but if I once run the this if I show this on the browser, then it will be clear. So let's open my browser and reload. Okay, here it is giving some output. So true and end of false is false, correct, and so these two should give the same result. These two should give the same result, and then not of true is false. So here I want to tell you what is an and. So an and is nothing but if it will be true only if both t and f are true, means both variables are true, otherwise it will be false in all the cases. Even the left side one is false, even the right side one is false, even the both are false, the result will be false. So remember, if you use ampersand, so let me write otherwise. So here, so ampersand is true only when both left and right are true. So in all other conditions this will be false. So ampersand are and, so both are same. And the next one is two pipes, or this is also called as or is true or is false only when both left side one and right side variable are false, which means if we have at least one is true, then we will get the output as true, but it is false only if both are false. Okay, and the not symbol is nothing but the opposite of, you can remove, it's like opposite or reverse. So if the input is true, then the output will be false. If the input is false, the output will be true.